In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix network issues on ChatGPT with live demonstration. Okay, when you open ChatGPT, if it shows like this, first open a new tab. Now I'm showing on Google Chrome. Then click these three dots. Then click on Settings. Now click Privacy and Security. Here open cookies and other site data. Then here click on See all site data and permissions. Here you can see ChatGPT site OpenAI, or if you can't see, just search here. Now click here. Now click on Clear. This will delete the saved ChatGPT data and cookies. Surely it will help. Now open fresh ChatGPT site. Try ChatGPT. It shows login. Again refresh the page. That's it. Now you successfully logged into ChatGPT site. Likewise, when you facing network issues or site not working means, try this method. Hopefully it does. I hope this video really helps. If you feel it helps, then leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.